Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thought I'd create an updated video today to show you how to get admin commands in 99 Nights in the Forest. This uses a working code that you can redeem in your game, and it's going to give you access to the secret admin panel in 99 Nights in the Forest. And it takes just a few minutes to do this, guys. Hundreds and thousands of people have used this method, and I thought I'd create an updated video showing you guys how to go ahead and do this yourself. So make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the tutorial and show you how to get admin commands in 99 Nights in the Forest. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is just open up the internet browser on your mobile phone. As you can see, guys, I'm using an iPhone, and what you're going to want to do is just head on over to this codes website, www. So make sure you can actually type www.coldcoupons.com. So make sure you type it like this, cold coupons. It's going to bring you to this website. And as you can see, they have hundreds of different pages on here. So just go to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in 99 Nights in the Forest. This is the codes page, guys. As you can see, there's 4 different codes. So go ahead and scroll down until you find the admin commands code. So this is going to get the admin commands panel in 99 Nights in the Forest. And this is a code, guys. This is a secret code that you can redeem in your game, and it is going to supply you with the admin panel for free. So because these are limited codes, as you can see, there's 157 codes remaining. You do need to unlock your personal 99 Nights in the Forest admin commands code. Now, I've already done this, and I don't want to waste the code for the purpose of this tutorial, but what you're going to want to do, guys, is click on Get Full Code, and you're going to see a new screen, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. Just follow the instructions. I had to complete a couple of tasks, and it took took about 5 minutes. Once I did that, guys, my admin commands code was fully revealed in this box. You redeem it in 99 Nights in the Forest, and that is how to get admin commands. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So head on over to Cold Coupons, find the 99 Nights in the Forest Roblox codes page. Go ahead, select the admin commands code. Make sure you do follow through all of the steps and instructions to unlock your code, and enjoy, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe for more.